Top 5 misconceptions about genetics explained.
Genetics often seems straightforward, but many popular beliefs about how we inherit traits are simply myths. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 misconceptions about genetics, from eye color to intelligence, and look at what the science really says. Get ready for some surprises. What you learned in school might not tell the whole story.
Myth 1. Eye color inheritance is simple.
Many people believe that brown eyes are always dominant and blue eyes are always recessive, making eye color easy to predict. In reality, eye color involves several genes, not just one. This means 2 brown-eyed parents can have a blue-eyed child, making inheritance much more complex than the simple dominant recessive pattern often described.
Myth 2. Intelligence is determined by a single gene.
It's a common misconception that intelligence is only determined by one or a few genes. In truth, intelligence is influenced by hundreds of genes working together, as well as environment and education. No single gene acts as a switch for intelligence, and both nature and nurture play large roles in shaping it.
Myth 3. Genetics alone decides our health.
Some believe that our health is written in our genes and nothing can change it. While genetics do affect risk for certain diseases, lifestyle choices like diet, exercise, and exposure to environmental factors also have major impacts. Healthy habits can even change how some genes are expressed, showing we have more control than many realize.
Myth 4. Traits always skip generations.
A popular idea is that some genetic traits skip generations, appearing in grandparents and grandchildren, but not in parents. This skipping actually depends on how genes are inherited and whether they're dominant, recessive, or influenced by other factors. While it's possible, it's not a rule, and many traits don't follow this pattern.
Myth 5. You're either born with a trait or you're not.
Many believe you can only inherit traits at birth, and that's the end of the story. But genes can be turned on or off by environmental influences, a field called epigenetics. For example, experiences, diet, and stress can affect how certain genes function during a person's life, showing that genetics is not purely set in stone.
Understanding genetics beyond myths.
Genetics is a fascinating field, but it's more complex and dynamic than many assume. Understanding these misconceptions helps us appreciate how traits develop and why we're all unique. Science continues to uncover new insights, reminding us that nature, nurture, and life experiences all play a role in shaping who we are.